He has a huge following. But this man, Kodai Narioka, well, he's now... Even last time they met was at the China Open.
In the black.
That was an epic encounter indeed. Has been ranked as high as 2. Of course, that was in the peak of what he's done. 1 title, 2 finals last year. 22-year-old from Aomori. Didn't have the best of times at last year's India Open. Kodai out in the first round. I think now Jee does have enough of a buffer in this first game that he should be able to see it through. Oh, there's the first of those mistakes. And so 7. And it's 8. So back on court for game 2. Jee can move a little bit easier now, knowing that he's got 1 foot in the semis. Straight to the body. And has decided to put out his stall in the 3rd and deciding game.
Second.
Slightly better side of the court. Jee will be happy with that. But really, in this 3rd game, where they're going to switch anyway, it's about making the best of the court. Have that ability to adjust. Well, Narioka asking all the questions here. Oh, that's so beautiful. That's a great. As I said, Narioka just loves these deciding games. Oh, that's beautiful from Jee. Good pickup. And that's a good winner.
Serve. Pushing that high line again. Full on attack.
Gets it again, but this is going to be an easy kick. The court. Can't ask for more than that. Kodai is keeping a close eye on that back line. Oh, and again.
So it's over.
I'm surprised Kodai didn't go across court with that. He's getting a lot of service.